Check it out, check it out. Just pulled up downtown Elkhart, Indiana. Water's moving kind of fast. It's starting to go down a lot. It's been moving fast. Dude, I hope I don't get no damn poison ivy on me out here, damn it. I don't have on pants, I have on long socks and shorts. But today we're just gonna play a little numbers game. See how many fish we can catch. There we go, we're gonna play this little numbers game today. Shoot, I don't have nothing to cut off that tag in either, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I don't have nothing on me to cut off this tag in. Got some duck. Dude, I got that duck first and then I went on this damn tree. Somebody's fucking ass tissue. Somebody's fucking ass tissue here. Usually we get one right there in my pocket. This is way too slippery. If you never knew what it's like being a fisherman, this is what it's like. Oh my goodness. Did you guys see that? Did you guys just see that? Right over there. Little baby carp or something just splashed out the water. I don't know what that thing was. Made it to the next spot, found a hole in the floor. I just set my camera in. Oh, now I'm in a tree. No fish. We made it down to our third spot. Made it down to our third spot. The water's fast. We're just on top of the bridge now. We was just fishing under the bridge on the other side of it. Now, don't make fun of my motherfucking rig. I left my tackle box at home with the drop shots, with my drop shot stuff. So I just threw on, I don't know, a donkey rig. About to throw it right here in this corner with this tree. See if we can't get a fish. Oh, I just got hammered. I don't know what we got, boys. I just got doinked. I wonder what he hit. Oh, he hit the bottom. What is that, a rock bass, bro? No, that's a smallie. Don't make fun of my rig, boy. Oh no. Hold on, fishy. Hold on, fishy. Hold on, fishy. You got me all tangled up, brother. Top of the mouth. He hit the shad Z. Beautiful colors on the smallie. We back to normal? Alright, we back to normal. Got our first little fishy. You can't lose that. That already, we down there about got fucked up. Yo, snapped off. Now we gotta figure out what we want to tie on. What would you tie on your finesse rod? Just lost one of those. I think we're just gonna go try to catch fish. All types of fish, bluegills, bass, you name it, that's the guy. That thing right there is on the end of a beetle spinner when you buy them from Walmart. Catching only one fish is crazy right now. Oh, I just got a fish. We got another fish. Oh my god, I'm getting ate up quick as hell on this thing. And you over there laying on the floor, bro. What are you doing over there? You good? What you doing laying down over here? Oh, bro, stop. You want to go home, bro? Is that what it is? You tired of fishing? Oh, I just dropped this bitch in here. Getting hammered. What just happened? That for me tightening up my line? God damn. Acting like a bait caster. Loosen up, dude. Biggin. Biggin. Oh, that ain't no biggin. That's a foul hook biggin, though. What the fuck? How do I foul hook this thing? That's a biggin. Dude, this thing got a fucking forehead. It's so big. Nice bluegill. Look at the belly. Ow. Nice bluegill. Hand size. I don't know how I hooked him or how he got hooked like that. I think there's hella gills here or something. Do it again. Oh shit. He ate the damn thing off the back end, the plastic. He stole my fucking plastic. Dirty ass fish, bro. That was like my only one of those. Second hit the fucking water, had a fish on. He engulfed that thing. He engulfed that thing. I watched him smoke it. Come on, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. You're gonna hurt yourself. Little guy. That's 2 off the shazzy hit. No, 3. Because I caught that fucking one thing too I forgot about. It must be super shallow right there or something. Because what the hell? What the hell? We're gonna get moved close. We're gonna move closer a little bit. Oh, don't fall down. Oh. Oh yeah, it's shallow right here, but right here look juice. Kinda scared to get my hand down in this motherfucking hole where that fish fell. I don't even see or hear that motherfucker in here flopping. That thing must have heard it hit its den right there and jumped and grabbed it quick. I don't know where that little bluegill went. So long, little fishy. Oh. I just had. Hell no. You better probably smack the glass too, didn't you? I know this bucket has a lot of fish. God damn it. All up down this motherfucker got a lot of fish. All up and down this motherfucker got a lot of fish, man. What's good, bro? You wanna stay over there? You wanna come with me? Alright, let's go. Here we go up. Ooh, shoes, all types of slippery. Holy shit. Go around the log jam, fish the other side of it where there's a big ass break. Hopefully it gets kind of deep. You see minnow swimming. Here's how you get on. Oh my god, that is not how you get on them. Just trying to fucking pick my spot where I want to stand, damn it. That's fucking bullshit. I hear you say try another spot. We could try another spot. Damn, he's dark as hell. This fish so dark. Here's the juice. Actually, no, he's so dark. We got like 50 people here. There's only 60 max. Look how dark he is. He's big too. So he's so dark. Chill. So dark. Mouth, tongue, everything, lip, everything. Oh shit, oh shit. I don't know where we at now. Man, this place is hella nice. What the fuck? They got a garden, a dog place, fucking pool. Hell yeah, that's fire. Little known community. Look at that pool. Fucking chairs inside the pool. It's pretty nice over here. I like how still this is. What the fuck? What do you think, pal? You think we get a fish? Oh shit, oh shit. Ooh, my lens almost hit the float. Holy shit. Dang, you fell down? Why your ass always falling down, dude? You gonna miss the bite. Oh, dude. Another fucking rock bass, dude. This is just rock bass heaven. Another rock bass. That's a smallie. Very next cast. Damn. Slippery ass fish. Oh, hammered that thing. It's a smallie. Bunch of baby fish, but I was gonna play a numbers game today, and I don't even know what number I'm on. Might have to do a fish count if I make a video. It's a little smallie. These fish are on fire today. Too scary of a, too close of a call. We're gonna have to put you on my shirt now. Might be better sound quality anyways. Closer to my vocal cords. Another one. Oh, he let it go. Dirty. Dirty fucking fish. Oh, he engulfed it. Slammed that thing. Choked it. Another little guy. Honestly, didn't think there was gonna be much more over here after that smallie right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, slamming this motherfucking bait. This is the chartreuse head, I believe, bro. That chartreuse head is going crazy right now. Another rock bass, engulfed it again. Just playing a numbers game, man. Out here fishing, baby. Out here fishing. I knew they would be stacked all right here on the edge of this fucking crazy ass rapids. But really, they're stacked all through this motherfucker. Oh shit, something just jumped right there? What the hell? Oh shit. Bro, they're just fucking over here hammering shit. This is all I'm catching is fucking rock bass, rock bass, rock bass. Bro, I should be cutting their ass up. Leaving their ass out here to die and shit. Fucking rock bass. It's cool though, they fun. Oh, that's gotta be a smallie. Oh, he almost took me under something. Another rock. Dude, another freaking rock. What the hell is going on out here? Bro, another rock. There's out here fucking slaying these things. We're gonna try to go down this steep ass fucking hillside, and maybe we could fight a fish. Oh no, I have no idea where that went. Actually, a really good cast too. Sheesh. Shit looks so juicy down here, but I can't just not fish this. Oh shit. Oh, dude, that was fucking smallie. Oh shit. That's good with that. Another smallie. Oh, he got off. He got off. He ain't fell in the water though. Just fell off my hook. Is he gonna make it in the water? God damn it, now I gotta go down here and grab this dumbass fucking fish. Fucking retard ass fucking fish. About got me falling in this goddamn river. Trying to make sure you're fucking good. Punk ass fish. Oh. Oh. Sheesh. That was hard to get up. Another little smallie though. Whew, that was a steep ass hill. Better perspective of it. There you go. So I was just down. So I was just climbing up. And don't tell me you got your babies over here, boy. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Not sure where I wanna fish. No swimming? What the hell you mean no swimming? My fish is out here swimming. Oh, that's a smallie, and I got him hung up on a tree down there. Oh, I got him. Shout out St. Croix, boy. You see we out here fucking flipping these fish. Sorry about that, fishy, if I just made you hit the floor hard. Not bad, little guy. I honestly don't even think we recording. Truthfully. Are we recording? Oh, we is. Okay. Look, big fish. Look, big fish. Oh, he got some acrobats. Another little smallie. Another little smallie. About the same size as the last one too. All right, we gone. Next spot, check it out. We're gonna hit the dam this time. Hit the goddamn dam. See how close we can get to him. Oh, he's gone. I just seen a fucking 40-pound carp, y'all. Holy shit. And I see another baby carp. Or a sucker fish or some shit. Holy shit, I'm going down there. I'm going down there. Holy shit, I just seen a fucking 40-pound carp. I'm not exaggerating at all. That thing's belly was fucking massive. Wasn't that long, dude, but he was massive. Ooh, I got lucky. You almost fell and hit your head there, bud. Better be, whoa, better be careful. Be careful. Hate for you to go to the hospital, get surgery done. I just hit record. Yeah, I'm about to cast, girl. Yeah, I caught a lot of fish today. Yeah. No. I would fall down there and kill myself. Yeah, I caught a lot of fish. Yeah.
Hi, everybody. I'm gonna make my own video.
You over there dancing in the camera? You're so silly. Ruby's dancing in the camera. Dancing in the camera.
No. Down on right there.
Look at that motherfucker. He just ran underneath the bridge.
Hey, Ruby. Look at me. How do I get on that side? And how do I get on this side, Grandma?
Y'all ready?